Hello everyone, this is Sakshi Saxena here. Today I am going to teach you class 3 English 2 lesson 1, and the name of the chapter is Going to the Fair. This is part 1 of my video. Now in your books on page number 15 you can see this chapter, Going to the Fair. Fair is a type of entertainment which is done in a field or a park. At a fair you can ride on machines or you can try and win prizes by playing different games. At a fair you see lot of people, they are enjoying in different manner. Okay, so this story is about 4 people. First is Fern, she's a girl, and her brother whose name is Avery, and their parents, Mrs. and Mr. Arable. They used to live on a farm with their parents, Fern and Avery. So both of them, Fern and Avery, they were very fond of the animals which they have raised on the farm, which they have kept on the farm, and they used to take care of them, and they used to love them a lot. So one day they have decided that they will visit the fair, they will go to the fair with their parents. Now let's read ahead what happens. Okay, the night before the fair, everybody went to bed early. All the 4 people of the family, they went to sleep early a night before when they have to go to the fair so that they can wake up on time. Avery lay dreaming that the Ferris wheel had stopped. Now when they were sleeping, Avery brother, he dreamed that he is on a Ferris wheel. This is a Ferris wheel, a giant wheel. He dreams that he is on the topmost seat of the Ferris wheel and it suddenly stopped. This shows that he must be scared of that, and then that he was in the top car, on the top seat. Fern, that's the sister, lay dreaming that she was on the swings. Swings, you can say, it's a type of a ride which does to and fro motion. To and fro motion means going in front, coming back, going in front and coming back. So both the brothers and sister, they were sleeping and they dreamed of different things. Now next day when they pulled into the fairgrounds. Now what is a fairground? Meaning is there given there in your book. Fairgrounds are the fields or open areas where these kind of fairs are organized or held. Okay, so when they pulled means when they went there the next morning, they could hear the music. Now when they entered the fair, they could hear a lot of loud music and they could see the Ferris wheel turning the sky. What they saw first thing, the Ferris wheel, it was almost touching the sky because it was quite big and giant. Okay, now what else they can see, they could smell the dust. Now it was an open area, so the dust was blowing. Okay, it was maybe a summer time, that's why the dust was blowing, and they could smell burgers frying and they could smell different food items also. Okay, they could see balloons aloft. They could see balloons hanging in the air. Aloft means hanging in the air. They could hear flocks of sheep bleating in their pens. Means they could hear the sound of sheep and goats and they were in their pens. Means they were kept at a place and they were bleating. Means they were making noise. Bleating means crying sound of sheep or goat. Why they were crying? Crying basically doesn't mean crying. They were making sounds. Okay. Now, can I have some money? Asked Fern. Fern, she asked her parents, can I have some money? And along with her brother also asked, can I too? Means can I also have some money? Now why they asked that? Because they became excited. They want to run through the fair and they want to enjoy. I am going to win a doll by spinning a wheel, and it will stop by the right number, said Fern. Fern said that I want to go and play the game of spinning a wheel, and if my number comes which I have chosen, I will win a doll. That's what I want, but I have to pay money for that. So that's why she asked money from her parents. I am going to steer a jet plane. Brother, he asked her parents that I am going to steer. Steer means controlling a vehicle, to control the direction of a vehicle which is going in a particular way. Okay, he asked that I want to sit on a jet plane. Okay, it's not a real jet plane but a kind of setup done there. And bump into, bump means to jump, to hit something with a force, sudden force. Okay, he want to play with jet planes. Okay, over there. into another one, said every. Brother says that. Now, can I buy a balloon? Asked Fern. Now she became tempted over balloons, colorful balloons in the air. So she wants to buy one balloon. So she asked money also for that from her parents. Can I buy frozen custard? It's a dessert sweet dish. A cheeseburger. You all know it's a cheeseburger. And a balloon. Asked every. Every also asked that I want to buy all these things. Can I do that? You children, be quiet till we get the animals unloaded, said Mrs. Arable. Mrs. Arable, she's the mother, she says that let me take out the animals from the truck by which they have come there, that let me take out all the animals from the truck. Why she says that? Because she doesn't want her children to go alone in the fair. Okay, that's why she says that I will go with you, let me do my work. Let the children go off by themselves, suggested Mr. Arable. Mr. Arable, father, he says that let the children be free, let them go by themselves. It's not necessary for us to join them. The fair only comes once a year. This is the time of the fair, and fair only comes once a year. It has been organized only once a year. So we need not to be worried. We should make our children independent. We should give them freedom so that they can understand today's world. That's why he suggested that. Mr. Arable gave Fern and every some pocket money. He gave some money to both the children. Okay. Now I am explaining you till here. I want all of you to go through the chapter well till here. In next part I will be completing the chapter. Thank you.